Hi, I'm Joe, Tim's doppelganger, and today I'll be speaking with Dr. Hand, a world-renowned circle expert, on circumferences, radiuses, and how they relate. Also, we'll be including a real-world application of this. So without further ado, Dr. Hand. Thank you, Joe, for introducing me. Today I'll be speaking about circles, their circumferences, their radiuses, how they relate, and a real-world application. Joe? Yeah, Dr. Hand, that's what I just said. Can we move it along a little bit here? Joe, don't be short with me. All right, a circle's circumference is the length traveled around the outer edge of the circle. The radius of a circle is the distance from the center of the circle to an outer point on the circle. They relate. Yeah, we know they relate from our introduction, but how exactly do they relate? I was just getting to that, Joe. The circumference can be calculated by multiplying the radius by 2 and then multiplying that by pi. So the formula for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Oh, okay, so circumference equals 2 pi r. That's nice. So how would I maybe bring that into the real world? I mean, it's nice, but... Well, let's say you know the radius of a wheel. Let's say you also want to know how far that wheel would travel in one revolution. Do you know how you do this, Joe? No, I wouldn't. I'm not the expert. You're the expert. I mean, why are you asking me? Relax, Joe. Relax. I'll tell you how we do it. It's very simple. The distance traveled by a wheel in one revolution is the same as that wheel's circumference. So, if we knew the radius of the wheel, we could calculate the circumference by the formula 2 pi r. Oh, that makes a lot of sense. Now, how does this relate to other things? Well, Joe, I'm glad you asked. If you have an odometer, you might have an electronic sensor that measures how many times the wheel goes around. Knowing the circumference of the wheel, you could then calculate the distance traveled. Oh, it makes perfect sense. So by using the formula circumference equals 2 pi r, I can figure out how far a car might go by the number of revolutions its wheel makes, as long as I know the radius of that car's wheels. Now you've got it, Joe, and I hopefully all of you will understand as well. Good day.